Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone notifications delayed issue. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. After restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and then the next solution is turn on notifications. So guys, check for notifications, tap on settings, tap on notifications. So guys, the notifications, so turn on notifications on every app. So after this, go back, and the next solution is enable mobile data or Wi-Fi. So guys, if you have disabled your mobile data or Wi-Fi, so notifications are delayed. So mostly turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data always. So after this, the next solution is reset all iPhone settings. For this, open settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. Then tap on reset all settings. So after this, the next and last solution is update your iOS to the latest. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS, so simply update your iPhone to the latest version. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.